This is our true home. And I think our true nature is generous. And I honestly believe whatever part of the earth you touch, and industry touches so much of this earth, we can heal. It's possible to go beyond net zero, we need to get there, but what's your positive strategy? Imagine a thankful ecoregion, right? Better off because we're there. We are a part of the natural world. Our species can definitely do this. What the world needs now is new, disruptive ideas, paradigm-shifting ideas, leapfrogging, excuse the pun, ideas. One singular purpose. Life creates conditions conducive to life. That's the design brief, pure and simple. It's time to ask nature. These are the elders that are among you. You are surrounded by genius.